Yeah. Unboxing. Welcome back to the channel. You know what I mean? All who just a join, all who just a subscribe for the first time, like, share, do the right thing. Hit the button. Make sure someone hit the subscription button and hit all. Don't miss anything. You may talk about not miss nothing. But if you start drop some content on the channel, that means if you do. Anyway, forward home tonight, I'm gonna have a little thing outside of deal without the coal. You know, get done. So we stop. We come in. When we come in earlier, this box was here. From when I general them, will link me upon the channel. And it contains this right here. The Ashley Protea. See? So we are going to unbox this. And we're going to see what the Ashley Protea look like. What I'm going to also do, I'm going to do what I would like to call comparative. I'm going to compare the Ashley Protea with the DBX cars in my two eyes. The way the Ashley Protea set up, it is nicer than the DBX. Believe me. That's how me feel personally about the Ashley Protea. See? So it comes with this cable right here. You can hook up to your computer. You come with that, and the box looks, inside of the box look like this. The Ashley Protea is well protected in the box, because at no time at all it not go bang in a shipping and handling. You know what I mean? It they're between cardboard at all times. Blah blah blah, all of that. We like that. I will go ahead and take out the Ashley Protea out of the plastic. Dev, come here. You do the video tonight. Huh? You do the video and hold the phone like that. And hold it right there. And don't play with the phone. Come in the way I go touch. You need to be able to see what I'm doing right here, okay? You got it? Huh? You got it?
Yeah. I see what you're doing, Daddy.
You see what I'm doing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Come right here. Why did you stop the video? Devlin, stop the video. Come on, saying I got touch something. Alright, here we go. With a 24-bit 4x8 system processor. The Ashley Protea 4.8 SP. You see me? That's the look. That's how it look. And the 4.8 just simply means it has 4 input and 8 output. So may I say, so that is the Ashley Protea. This dial knob right here, basically that's the X button for all who used to do PlayStation or Xbox. That's the X button. So may I say, yeah, I'm gonna tune this I'm gonna do a video also on tuning the Ashley Protea. I'm not gonna realize how sweet this system is compared to the DVX. Because check this out. I'm not gonna plug it in tonight. Whenever I'm gonna do the tuning, then I'll plug it in and you guys will see everything. But check this out. Let's say I was tuning this specific drive rack and I tune the number one channel. I can do this, boom, copy, number two, boom, and whatever I tune in the number one here would be here in the number two. I can do this, boom, number one, copy, number 8, and whatever I tuned here on the number one would then be coming out over here on the number 8 channel. Seeing?
I see it, Daddy.
It is a sweet, sweet system.
I see it,
No,
Daddy.
tell no lie.
But I see it.
Yeah, I know. And while we're here, I'm gonna tell them all of this. The next thing I should tell you guys is, if there is anyone watching the channel who wants one of these to purchase, we have them, man. We have the connects. You understand? So me I sell one of them for 800 tuned if you want it tuned. 800 if you want, 800 if you want it like just the whole unit untouched. 900 if you want me to put my personal tuning in it, which would probably come close to, you know what I mean, whatever you guys have, but then you could go ahead and tweak it
Daddy,
to your liking.
please.
So we are on 800 for the unit and 900 for the unit tuned. Seeing?
Hot bread, please.
Hold on, puppy.
Okay.
Seeing? So that's the unit. I'm gonna show you the back end of the unit. Hold on. See there? Four inputs down there, so 8 outputs. Nice little fan and everything. The next thing I like about this unit is the input section. Seeing? You can tune this unit to run both subs and bass, regardless of whether you are run your mid verb to your top end and then your bass separate, because you don't want to run your mid verb through your bass. Everybody should have known that. Seeing? So you use channel A and channel B to run your bass, and you choose where you want channel A and channel B to come out over here. Seeing? Whenever I do the tuning on this specific unit, will show you how that is done. You see me I say? So you use channel A, channel B if you play your bass. You can't use channel C, channel D. Use your choice. But you use whichever one here for your sub input on the back, and then over here you choose whether you want the sub input to be, or the sub output to be 5 and 6 or 7 and 8 or 1 and 2. You choose your choice. You understand me I say, gentlemen? Alright. Then you go C and D with your top end. Over here you choose whether you want 2 or you want 3 to be the tweeter, you want 4 to be the on, you want 6 to be the tweeter, 8 to be the on. You choose. With this unit it is very flexible. You choose where you want to send whatever signal out. You understand? And you also you can choose where you want to send the signals in. On the back you choose whether you want to use this and this to play bass, whether you want to use this and this. You can't use the A channel alone. to play a sub and use the number one channel alone for a sub output, you can use the B channel from whatever unit you guys are coming from to be a low mid, is in input if you so desire, but a full range I go come in for play tapping. Everybody know that. You see me I say? And then you can choose over there so whichever way you need to configure this thing. It is very flexible. Believe me. I rate this drive rack over the DBX. Even though I have my DBX 480, I love this drive rack way more than I actually love the DBX. See? And again, gentlemen, if y'all need one, contact me. My number is on there on YouTube. It is 904, or let me give the area code first. 802-904-3108 in a Jamaican. 802-904-3108. And see? So link me if you don't need one. We'll let them go for 8. And if you don't need me for tune it, just pre-tune it. That's when you know get it in our hands and you can say, alright then. Me I go tweak it. It sound real nice, but me can see it, me can tweak it a little bit more. Then boom, go ahead and do your thing. You know what I mean? Yeah. So me I say. So that is it for now. You see me? Whenever we get to that point, I promise you no more contents, you know. This is a thing what we need to talk about too. This right here, this is a TRS cable. TRS here means tip, ring, and sleeve. Compared to the other mono, TRS cable is not exactly a stereo cable per se. It is the way how you basically, this one cable carries input and output. I think if my memory serves me right, it carries the input on the tip and the output on the ring. And this right here, the sleeve, is the ground. So T, tip, R, ring, and sleeve, ground. T, R, S. We are going to show you where and how to use this and the difference between this and a TS 1/4 inch jack. See? So stay tuned for that. Long time I not do no whole heap of video and I put no whole heap of content. See one Devlin. Time for you to clean up. Relax. Give me 1 sec. We're getting there. Yeah. Some contents for drop. But the time. This is what I say. The time. Because as I said, I just left outside and out there cold, brother. This is what I say. So I'm going to make some lasca now for me and Devlin. Eat some food we cooked from yesterday. You know what thing, Gary? Yeah. You see it? Because I 2 soldiers them in a camp, you know, brother. See me? So, you know. Yeah, I get that understanding. You want chocolate milk? I'm fine with that. Alright, okay. So, remember, if you haven't yet subscribed, which party bell there? What is that? Do the right thing. You don't know what to do. I'm not going to tell you which party bell there. Just do the right thing. Subscribe, like, share. Tell a bridging over there, so. A bridging, tell the next bridging, and the next bridging, tell the next bridging. And we have the drive rack them myself. Anybody who want one, link me. Ease man have them. See? That way I do. For now, I'm out because I'm still not more work clothes. I'm tired. You know what I mean? We have some box we make too. For general. Same general for the driver car. The man are going with big things. So me I say, and I'm happy that I could have influenced him to say, yo, brother, do this. See? And he took my advice and him say, yo, you know what?
Daddy, what up there?
I see it. He took my advice and he said, no, what? It's a small unit me having about, guess what? If me get a drive rack, all of these things where me a plan say, yo, me I go do this and me I go get that and me I go get. I probably don't need to. So me I say, so being as this drive rack is an actual 480, we are going to set it up. Yeah, Dev?
I have my boss on, my sock on, my dog on.
Yeah. Being as this drive rack is a 480, we are going to set it up for him where he's going to use 2 of the lines input to be 2 of the lines output for subs and 2 of the line inputs to be 6 of the line outputs to be his top end. So me I say, yeah. So no you what? No I miss. No me telling you now. You don't want to miss nothing. You see it? So yeah what? I look some food me and Devlin. Cause we hungry right now and me tired right now. I want to go sit down. Play the game look a bit. Maybe. Cause I'm ready. Join me in the next one. Out.